more syrup.
All right, boys. We're gonna head deep into the forest here. Try and find a spot to set up on our hammocks right on the river. Beautiful, pristine wilderness stream here with trout in it. There's a swimming hole, waterfalls. It's a humid, hot summer day. Well, it's a pretty steep area going down to this river and all these waterfalls and cliffs. We're gonna have to find a flatter area or somewhere that has decent enough trees for us to hang from.
Maybe if we go to right here.
Whoa, check that out.
That's so cool. We found, this is our safe one.
Jump right there. Yo, put your weight on me. Yep, right there. Not taking any chances with any of these rocks here. They're super slick. Last thing we need is somebody to fall and hurt themselves back here. We're gonna put our water shoes on, cross this river here. Got him? All right, Logan, I'm not carrying you this time. You ready? Let's do it. We got water shoes this time. What a difference water shoes make, man. I have so much more grip on these rocks now. All right, boys, you're on your own. See ya. When they get a little older here, I'm definitely gonna leave them out in the woods so they can survive Mountain Man Challenge. All right, boys, we made it. Looks like the water's finally not as muddy as it was and gone down a bit. We've been getting nailed with thunderstorms the past week. They actually had to rescue 2 kayakers out of one of the rivers here locally yesterday. We need to find trees that are about 8 to 10 feet away from each other.
Like this?
You don't want them too close. That's a little too far. This is like perfect right here. Yeah, but we're gonna need at least 3, well, 4. We need 4 of them because we need to put our hammocks to each one. See all the mountain laurel? Deer love this stuff. It grows on the top of the mountains, mountain laurel. That's where you'll find the bucks during hunting season. Okay, who wants to run a hammock across this?
I think I'm good.
No?
I'll get it.
And then to get in it, you just jump right in it from here. Hang on. Well, we're just searching the area here to make sure that there's not a better camp spot in the area. Sure wouldn't want to miss out on an excellent spot, 5-star campsite. Oh, that's cold, fresh water coming down from the mountain. You guys like this site better, you say? Yeah. Okay. Why do you like this site?
Because the water's too loud.
The waterfall's too loud, huh? Okay. Yeah, it would be nice. We'll be able to hear ourselves think and talk better, right? If we get off the river a bit. This looks kind of cool up in here.
Yeah, look at that. You can set up a lot of hammocks here. Come on, Dad. This is the perfect spot.
What do you guys see here that could be dangerous?
The tree's falling.
The tree falling?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, right? It's a dead standing tree that's right on the trail, right? And it looks like it could fall.
Push it down, Dad, to see if it can be pushed down.
Oh, it's still pretty sturdy. Yep, that's still sturdy. Just be careful when we go under it, okay?
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Run. What did I find?
Blue jay's egg.
Not a blue jay.
Robin.
Robin egg, yep. What do you guys think created that?
I think it's a wolf.
A wolf?
No.
There are
no wolves. A deer.
That's right, there's coyotes, not wolf. Good job, Logan. A deer. Yep.
Rubbing his antlers on.
That's right, this is a deer rub. See, a buck has come here down this trail and rubbed his antlers right on this. See the lines of the antler? That's a buck rub. That's how you know there's a buck in the area. Logan's ready to jump in. That water over there by that waterfall is so strong. The current.
Why do you think my hair's wet?
Now we're gonna head up to our campsite. The boys found this area and said they liked this area. They wanted to get off the creek. They didn't like all the noise, and it was pretty loud where you couldn't even hear yourself speak or think. We're getting off the creek a bit. We're gonna head up into the fern forest up on this hillside, and there's a nice view up there, so let's go do it, boys. Okay, I think this is it. We got these trees here. There's a nice little canopy above us. And then we have a nice view of the hillside. All right, boys. I think this is it right here.
Is that for the campfire? You can.
All right, the clothes are a little wet. We got swimming trunks and whatnot. We're gonna set up a clothesline here with the paracord. What do you got there, Logan?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar? What is that guy? Oh my gosh. What is that?
We shouldn't blow up my bug.
Don't touch him.
No way. It might be poisonous. Might be poisonous.
Yeah, he looks poisonous. Oh my god, what is that guy? I've never seen a bug like that before. You guys comfy in there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just don't lay on the mesh part, but you can lay on this part all you want. Okay? Alright, the boys decided that it was a little too close quarters for that two-man hammock, so we set up a third, and we're all just right next to each other. Let's give it a try, boys. We got 3 hammocks side by side. We're kind of bouncing off each other, but what do you guys
It's fun.
We got all three of us right here.
Mm-hmm.
Can reach across and swing together. Huh?
Yeah.
Pillow for you. All right, well, the boys are just kind of chilling out. I've been trying to get a fire going. I've got some wood collected, but it's pretty damp and don't have much fire starter with me. Just a little bit of paper. Didn't bring any cardboard. I don't have much spark going, so we'll see if I can get it going. It's been raining hard the past couple of days, so we'll see. Otherwise, we'll just cook our food up on a camp stove and go right to bed. But the boys are ready for their treat, cream soda. They love it.
Yep.
Let's go. It's good stuff. What do you think?
Magnificent.
Magnificent. Some dry wood in the center. Fire ended up being a big fail. Everything's super damp. I'm gonna have to like find a standing tree to actually get it going and put some work in and chop some wood here. But I need to get dinner going for these boys. They're falling asleep in the hammock. So we've got some water boiling for some mac and cheese cups. Wow, that's a lot of chicken. You getting me for payback?
It's pretty melty.
Huh? Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty melty though.
Melty?
Mm-hmm.
Eating chicken dinner in a hammock? Oh yeah. I know you're tired, boys. Want some chicken, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
His family couldn't wait to hear their stories. Then he remembered his own pathetic story. Dude, get out of here.
What?
A bug. It's like a giant bug. He's attracted to the light. Okay, well, I'm cheating a little bit here, but got the camp stove trying to dry out some of this wood so I could have a fire. Pretty cool. This area has a ton of different salamanders, and earlier I lifted a log and there was a super quick little black one with spots on it, and now I was just going through my stuff here and I see like a orange looking one, kind of cool. See, he's fast. Alright, now we got a really cool salamander. Check this guy out. There's just so many little creatures in this forest here, different salamanders and bugs and all types of different stuff that I've never seen before. Pretty cool little spot. I'm up on this hillside in the fern forest overlooking the whole hillside here and down to the river. All this dead leaf litter on the ground in this forest. I've seen about 4 different types of salamanders tonight here. Got that tarp on there now, and that should cover about all 3 hammocks in case we get some rain tonight. Well, good morning, boys.
Morning.
How'd you guys sleep?
Good.
Good? You're hanging out of your hammock.
Yep. I felt that butterfly was dead. My back is soft.
I'm off.
All night we could hear different owls throughout the whole valley here, hooting and hollering. Oh my gosh.
Let me see.
Look inside my boot.
Oh God. I want to see it. I want to see it. Oh.
There's millipedes. Good morning from the fern forest. We're in the mountains. Beautiful morning. Now that the forest is dried another 8 hours or so, we should be able to get a fire going. A lot of these twigs are a lot drier to the touch than they were last night. Everything was damp, but today the forest is a little drier for sure. I think we'll be able to do it. Especially, this is super dry stuff right here. Right there, like that. And that gives you nice dry wood. See that?
I feel it.
Yeah, feel it. See? Come on, boys. Come grab some birch bark with me. We found our secret ingredient to our fire now. There's all this old and rotten birch bark on this tree. Got like this stuff here. Just pull the stuff that's already kind of hanging off the side, the dead stuff that's rolled up.
Inside. Inside.
Yep, just the stuff that's on the outside. Don't peel it off the tree, but too much. The stuff that's hanging though. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. This will go right up.
Yeah, right behind it, right here, right here.
There's a lot of old birch bark on here.
Ooh, I like the jacket. Now I got the
That's good stuff there. This will go right up. Birch bark is like the #1 fire starter when you're in the woods. You got some, Logan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's get this fire started.
All right, let's give it another go here. We got a ton of birch bark. That should get her going. If this doesn't work, then I give up. Look at how quick. That fire, I couldn't get it to go. As soon as I added birch bark to it, it goes right up in flames. That'll dry everything out and keep burning.
Best fire starter in the woods if you don't got one.
It is the best.
Down there.
If you're ever in a survival situation, find the birch trees and you will have fire. You gotta get it moving.
Can you shake it a little bit more, Dad?
This is gonna be a good breakfast. Hot pancakes, butter and syrup. Can't beat it. Fireside.
Yep.
You guys want some pink lemonade?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Have you been free?
Jump on it, right? Jump on it. See that? There you go. That's good wood. Oh yeah. There you go. Alright, give that a try.
Why smell is the highest? That's really good. Really? That one's mine. I can't see. This is really good.
Next time maybe we'll throw some chocolate chips in there, huh?
Jim did that with
Oh, that's a good looking one. That's a thick one, huh?
More.
You want another one?
No, more syrup.
More syrup? You have, that thing is drenched, dude. That's all you get. That thing is drenched.
Oh.
Huh?
It's quenched.
What's that?
Are we gonna cross the river again?
We have to cross the river again.
But where? Like the
We could cross it right there, or we could go back up.
I would cross right here.
Rather cross right here.
Yeah. Cause I swear I.
Oh my God, that's good.
See, exactly. It's really.
Fire needs a lot of care and maintenance. You gotta constantly tend to your fire, and when you put the logs too closely together, that means they can't get enough oxygen, right? You need oxygen blowing through the fire to give it life. Right now it's getting a little bit of air. Why don't you try blowing on it and see what happens? Yep.
What time is it?
How about that? Nice job, Noah. Since we didn't do s'mores last night, the boys want a little brunch time s'more. So now we gotta find the perfect stick, and I think you have found it, young grasshopper.
Yes!
So slice away, hold it right here, and slice that way. Yep, just like that.
Ooh,
Blow it up. Logan's taking a different approach. We bought Reese's peanut butter bar.
gooey.
Gooey?
Gooey.
It's 66 degrees. It was down to the 50s last night. Low 50s. Wasn't too bad though. You guys sleep good? Good on your back, huh? Get up off the ground, sleep in a hammock.
Yep.
Alright, the boys say they want to go swimming, so we're gonna go swimming. They're going to the swimming hole.
Again.
Cold plunge. Alright boys, ready? Give her a try. What is it, cold? That's really cold.
Oh my God! Did you skip all the way over there? Great skip.
You gotta skip it up the waterfall.
Oh, that's good. Oh! And that's nothing.
Getting in here, we were eating in the dark and pretty much setting up in the dark, or right at dark there. So I rigged up 3 hammocks, 1 for each of us. And it was pretty good sleeping. Prefer getting up off that ground. Last time we camped, we did like a mattress pad, inflatable, and wasn't bad. We slept on a pretty flat spot, but this time we decided to leave the tent at home and do hammocks instead. And yeah, I like the hammock. You guys like the hammock?
Yeah, it felt way better on my back, and when I felt my back in the morning, it actually didn't hurt.
Yeah. You like the hammock, Logan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Kind of fun.
Come and look at this, guys. Dad, look at me.
All right, we're all packed up, ready to get out of here. Boys, have a good time?
Yes.
This was a good campsite, right?
Yes, magnificent.
We did a quick look over our site here, make sure we didn't leave anything behind, leave no trace. We'll always leave no trace, boys.
Yep, no trace at all.
Yep. And then we're gonna hike out of here. We gotta cross one river, and then we're to the other side, and our ride will be here. Let's do it. Careful.
Yeah, I leaned back as soon as I did that. A second later, I looked back.
Come on, bud, you got it. Oh, careful. Come on, stand up. You got this.
We still got a little bit more down.
Ready?
You're gonna fall again, I bet you.
Okay, we're crossed right here.
Yeah. Okay.
Come over here. Got it?
Would you rather be able to turn one?
Walk right up that rock. Got it? Alright, we made it. Alright, boys, let's head out of here. We're almost to the road.
Okay.
We had a wipe out there with Logan. He got caught in a root ball and was bent back over the tree. I went running down there, and he was like fully extended back with his knee locked in a root. He's lucky he's so flexible.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, look, wait. This is where
Try
we
and
came
step high over these. Okay.
out. This is exactly where we came out.
Logan just lifted up this rock here, and there's a salamander.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Fifth one we've seen.
So that makes about 5 different species of salamanders we've seen. That's a red F.
Can't touch it.
Well, your hand's supposed to be wet. I just did it on a leaf, so let's not actually touch them. But all right, that's a wrap for this one. We had a great time hammock camping in the mountain wilderness up here. Thanks for watching, Boys of the North, and as always, exchange comfort.